I found Myra Dental through online. I was looking for a best dental clinic, and I saw an excellent feedback from their clients. So I contacted them, and here I am. I had a really great experience. I had 9 implants, 2 on the lower jaw and 7 on the upper jaw, and I had 14 zirconium crowns. And I would say I'm really happy with the outcome. I can smile now, I can speak in front of the camera, and I would say I had a great experience having the great and professional dentist, Mr. Ardam. He's really, really fantastic. He knows what he's doing. He knows what is best for you. He knows what suits to the clients, and really they have really cheap dental treatment, and they have a really beautiful and fantastic marketing professional, Jokan. She's very hospitable, and not just the dental, not just the dental treatment. It's the fantastic holiday here in Antalya. It's really beautiful. They have really friendly and very nice people around. Their hotels are fantastic. Their foods are really, really delicious. And a lot of things are just so cheap. And yes, I would love to come here. I could, I could even live here, and maybe one day I could buy a property here because it's really a fantastic experience. And thank you for Myra Dental for making me smile again. They did a fantastic job. Thank you.